Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to replace an image in Publisher without losing formatting. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document and take some text with some pictures. Now we want to replace an image this Publisher document without losing formatting. Click a picture. Then select a picture, go to the picture format menu. Then click the change picture option, then change picture. Then choose picture from our file. Now we can see here many pictures. Then we select a picture and click insert. Now we can see we replace an image without losing formatting very easily. You can apply another process. Go to the another picture, then click right button on our mouse and here the change pictures option. Then change picture from our file. Then choose any picture. Now I select this and click insert. Now we can see we replaced an image this Publisher document without losing formatting very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.